Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to study law at home. First, create a dedicated study environment. Choose a quiet spot where you can focus without interruptions. Make sure you have proper lighting to prevent eye strain and a comfortable chair for extended study periods. Organizing your materials neatly will save you time and reduce stress, allowing you to concentrate fully on your legal studies. Next, let's talk about effective study techniques. When reading cases, focus on extracting the essential facts and the court's reasoning. Creating detailed outlines helps you connect concepts and see the bigger picture. Flashcards are excellent for drilling legal definitions and statutory provisions, ensuring you retain crucial information. Practice these methods consistently for better understanding and retention. Now, let's explore the power of online resources. Many free legal databases offer extensive case law and academic articles, providing valuable insights. Engaging in online forums allows you to discuss complex topics with peers and clarify any uncertainties you might have. Educational videos can also offer alternative explanations and visual aids, enhancing your comprehension of challenging legal concepts. Finally, maintaining motivation and organization is key to long-term success. Set achievable daily or weekly goals and celebrate your progress to stay encouraged. Remember to incorporate regular short breaks into your study schedule to avoid burnout and keep your mind fresh. Also, for those busy study days, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Staying organized and well-fed will definitely boost your study efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.